Yeah, today in this video we'll see the iron test of this heavyweight iron box from Bajaj. See, in the last video I did unboxing video of this iron box, and today this is the killer brand shirt. So I'll be doing some iron test here. I'll be going to switch on that and I'll do iron test. See, before doing iron with this heavy iron, this shirt is has lot of wrinkles. So let us check how far it is doing its performance. Yeah, initial switch on, and you can observe there's a light indicator that the heavy iron is getting heated up. So I'll be just here. This is the maximum heat indicator, this is minimum one, and here nylon it is 1, silk 2, wool 3, and cotton 4, and linen cloth 5. So this is somewhat of linen cloth type, so I can keep to some 4 to 5 between, but be careful while ironing because it produces lot of heat. See here, just within few seconds it is getting smooth iron. Okay, I am recording with one hand and I am ironing this shirt with another hand. That's the reason I am unable to do it properly, but yeah, as this is heavyweight iron, yes, just with a single glove go it is doing perfect iron. Yeah, this is from the Bajaj brand, so it is the performance of it is decently good. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. So yeah, you can keep it like this, and this is what the performance. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And coming to this price, I purchased this for 1200 rupees offline store, and if possible I'll be keeping the unboxing video in the description. You can check it. Yeah, okay, and this is the ironing plate.